Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a glowing text for your edits in CapCut. So after you finish your edits, you can just add the text that you want. Okay, I'm going to just add this word and then choose the font. Now go to style and add shadow, select a black color and set the opacity to 100. Now go to animation, click on loop and select the floodlight animation. Okay, this one. Now here you can just adjust the speed, and after that just click on the check icon and you are done. This will be the result. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.